Hi you guys, welcome back. I am so excited to show and share this recipe. This is so delicious and let's get right to it. So first I trimmed all of the fatty parts off the chicken. Then I had 3 plates. The first plate, I made sure that the flour was evenly coated on the chicken on both sides, and I shook off all the excess flour from the chicken. I then dipped it into the egg, and third of all, I coated the chicken with the breadcrumbs. Now, add the pepper to the breadcrumbs before and make sure you mix it in. Then I want to cook the chicken until golden brown, which is about 3 to 4 minutes per side. You can even slice the chicken a little bit to make sure that it's fully cooked from the middle. Then I prepped the coleslaw before, which is just combining the celery, the carrot, sour cream, and a tablespoon of sugar. And you can taste it to see how sweet or how you would like your coleslaw. You can also add some pepper in there. I did toast my buns in butter, and I do want to add the sriracha sauce onto the chicken and add the coleslaw just before serving it, so that way the bread doesn't get soggy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down below and let me know how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.